The Ryzen 7 9800X 3D delivers 83% or more better performance than the 5600X for $480. This requires upgrading to AM5, but bundle deals can reduce the platform cost. I've linked to the best deals down below. For best value, the Ryzen 5 at 9600X at $200 gives you an improved performance of about 37% or better over the 5600X based on aggregate benchmarks. The 9600X brings you to the AM5 platform with DDR5 support and PCIe 5.0. At $200, this 6-core processor provides solid 1080p and 1440p gaming performance. The AM5 socket gives you a clear upgrade path for future Ryzen generations. Bundle deals on motherboards and RAM can make the platform transition more affordable. For best budget options, I would say staying with your 5600X on AM4 makes the most sense. The 5700X3D and 5800X3D would be the logical AM4 upgrades, but they're discontinued. Current market prices make them too expensive for the minimal performance gains that they'd provide. Your 5600X remains capable for most gaming scenarios, so save your money for a full platform upgrade when you're ready. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D at $480 is the best overall upgrade. This 8-core processor with 3D V-Cache technology from AMD delivers a massive 83% or more boost in performance than your 5600X. The 9800X3D dominates in gaming workloads and handles productivity tasks with ease. Yes, you'll need a new AM5 motherboard and DDR5 RAM, but this investment gives you the fastest gaming CPU available today, and the AM5 platform ensures compatibility with future Ryzen releases. The 9600X delivers a great value at $200 with a solid performance increase, while the 9800X3D at $480 provides top-of-the-line gaming performance and represents the ultimate gaming upgrade as of right now. Staying with your 5600X saves you money if you're not ready to upgrade to the AM5 platform, but bundle deals can help offset the platform upgrade costs if you're able to find them. I'll link to all the parts in this video down below. If you do make a purchase using my links, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it's greatly appreciated. Check out some of the other helpful videos we have here on the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.